Welcome to the training session of Volume Hire module. For this module, let us log in with as a Volume Hire coordinator with a permitted user ID and password. After login successfully, you can see there is a Volume Hire module. Under Volume Hire module, you will get 5 types of subtabs. First, Volume Hire Master Requisition List, Volume Hire New Requisition, Volume Hire Applicant List, New Applicant, and Applicant Search. Volume Hire Master Requisition List will help you to see the requisition, to see the created requisition, list of created requisitions. Volume Hire New Requisition will help you to create a new requisition for a Volume Hire candidate. Volume Hire Applicant List will help you to see the number of candidates falling under Volume Hire. New Applicant will help you to create new applicant under a particular requisition. And Applicant Search will help you to search a candidate. It's an advanced search. So let us start with a new applicant. Create a new applicant. Create a mandatory field. Personal profile. Under personal profile you will see first name, last name, nationality, passport number, and the level of education will be the mandatory steps. So let us fill. After filling the personal profile of the candidate, our next step will be to enter the address details of the Volume Hire candidate. So let us fill the address of the candidate. Fill all the mandatory details like address line 1, city, country, state, the mobile number of the candidate, then click the checkbox permanent address if the present address is same as permanent address. After that, our next step will be to add remarks and rating. This remarks and rating will help you to add the comments about the Volume Hire candidate. And then give the rating to the Volume Hire candidate. -1 will be the very lowest and 5 will be the highest one. So I rate him as 3. Then paste the resume. If you are having any Word resume of the Volume Hire candidate, then copy paste over here. Then click on the button submit. After clicking the button submit, it will take you to the overview page of the candidate. So this is the overview page of the candidate. You can see the overview. Under overview you can see whatever the fields you have filled for the personal information, documents, uploaded documents, his passport, visa and flight information, job title, and copy paste resume. So under the overview page of the Volume Hire candidate, you can see there are 5 tabs, which is one is overview, second is documents. From here you can add documents of the candidate. After adding a document, our next step will be the HR data. Under HR data you can change, if you wanted to change any information of the Volume Hire candidate, that is his basic profile and his address. Enter the passport and driving license of the candidate, his visa information, Our next step will be onboarding. As we all know that the volume hire candidate will be comes under the requisition, and as soon as the requisition they have added, the onboarding process will be started. So you can see this is a step for the volume hire candidate under the volume hire onboarding process. So if you can see that you are not allowing to update the status of the onboarding process of the volume hire candidate, it is because you are not the owner of the onboarding process. For this, only the onboarding coordinator having the right to update the status and upload the documents accordingly. After that, you can see send to HRM step. The step will help you after as soon as onboarding process gets over. It will help you to send to convert the applicant as an employee by clicking the button send to HRMS. So this is the overview of the applicant overview. Now let us go to the home page again. Under volume hire module, if you want to see the volume hire candidate, you can go to the master requisition list of the volume hire, and under the requisition list, now I have added the candidate under the requisition position of draftsman. So let us have a look. Now under this draftsman requisition, there are total 24 applicants available. So this is a list of applicants under the requisition of draftsman. So you can see this is the candidate which I have added under the requisition of draftsman. From here you can upload the documents of the candidate, offer letter, passport, driving license, employee application form, medical report, visa, and air ticket. So it will be a shortcut. If you click on this link, it will take you to the documents upload page, where you can upload the document, the offer letter. Under offer letter, select the document, so from here select the document from your system and add it. After adding a document, give the title of the document, and upload. Successfully uploaded document. Again, come back to the page. So now as you can see this sign. So this sign, which if you see this sign, it means that the documents have been uploaded now. Similarly, for other candidates of volume hire also, you can see that this sign shows as the document have been uploaded accordingly. This is a volume hire matrix for volume hiring matrix, volume hire hiring matrix of volume hire candidate. From here, select the candidate and update the status of the candidate. So let us select the candidate and move to the level of offer letter accepted list. So we have moved 4 candidates under offer letter accepted. So if you wanted to check, you can click under the hyperlink of offer letter accepted and view the 4 applicants, selected applicants. Similarly, if you wanted to check for other steps also, for example, medical rejected, under medical rejected there is one candidate comes under the medical rejected. So in this way you can move the candidate step by step. In this way you can change the status of the candidate also. Similarly, from volume hire applicant list, you can do the same thing. Under this icon, you can upload the documents of the volume hire candidate and move to step by step, which the same will be reflected for the volume hire requisition overview, that is hiring matrix. So this was the procedure for adding a new candidate for volume hire candidate and updating the status of the candidate and upload the documents of the candidate of step by step. Now our second process will be to upload the documents of the volume hire candidate. As a volume hire coordinator, you will be not having an access to upload the documents. So let us log in with a admin role. So as login as an admin role, first log in with a permitted user ID of an admin. After login successfully, under volume hire module, click on import volume hire applicant list. This will be the way to import an Excel sheet of volume hire candidate under a particular requisition. As first step will be to select the file from a system. Click the button upload. Then select the sheet name, the sheet you wanted to upload. Select the requisition. And then click on preview. This preview will help you to check the candidates, whether the candidates have been uploaded within the columns properly or not. So let us check first whether the columns have updated properly or not. So in this way, preview will help you to view each and every columns properly, and then click the button import. The left hand side, which shows a message, will help you to see whether the candidates have been uploaded successfully or not. As my all candidates have been uploaded successfully. So I got the message of successfully uploaded. So this 5 candidates have been imported under the requisition of supervisor HSC successfully. If you want, you can check the same candidate from your requisition list. Go to supervisor HSC, click on pre-selected. So in this way you can view the candidates which you have uploaded. So this was another way of adding candidate under adding a volume hire candidate under a requisition by importing through Excel sheet. So this was a whole process of volume hire module. Thank you.